Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos. In this video, you will know what are the technologies and tools every Java developer must know to become an expert in Java environment and get job easily in MNC companies. So let us see what technologies and tools a Java developer must know. A Java developer should know the fundamentals topics. Those are from core Java. From core Java, these topics you should be get full knowledge, depth knowledge in these topics: object oriented programming, classes and object, fields and methods, encapsulation, access modifiers, inheritance, polymorphism, methods, in methods, calling methods, defining methods, method parameters, and scope. And at the same time, you must know depth knowledge on these topics as well: data types and variables, Java lang package, exception handling, multi-threading, Java util package, collection frameworks, Java IO package, enums, reflections, annotations. These all technologies comes from core Java. Next, you must learn advanced Java. From advanced Java, you should learn JDBC, servlets, JSP, JEE design pattern, MVC architecture. After successfully completion of this course, next you should learn frameworks: Hibernate, Spring, XML, web services. Next, you must learn for experienced people tools and servers. Tools like Maven, Log4j, JSON, JUnit, Eclipse, Tomcat, and JBoss. Here, Eclipse and Tomcat and JBoss, here are the servers. Next, you should learn database concepts as well, like normalization and denormalizations, SQL queries, stored procedures, cursor, and triggers. If you know all these topics, you must become an expert in Java development environment. So that's all, guys. So if you want if you want to become a Java developer, then you must know all these topics. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.